10 polite things to say to people approaching your dog. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will be talking about some things of dogs. Wouldn't it be wonderful if everyone pooped their dog back on lead when they saw your dog was on their lead? Unfortunately, not everyone is aware that they shouldn't let their dog run up to the dog they don't know. If you have a nervous or anxious dog, the impact on your dog may be small or significant. In the moment, it can be hard to know what to do. Perhaps we want to avoid confrontation or it might sound silly, but when you are feeling worried, you can shout it out with confidence. As soon as someone is an earshot, you are your dog's advocate. You can speak out for them with confidence. Feel empowered to say what your dog needs in the moment. Tackle the awareness of what to say to someone with their dog is too close. Get prepared. I am about to say the things that you should say to other people. My dog's nervous. Can you come and get your dog, please? She's really scared. She was attacked when she was a puppy. My dog is in season. Can you put your dog back on a lead, please? My dog has an eye infection. It's probably contagious. My dog got fleas. He is injured and can't play. So, this is all for today's video, and we will talk things about that in the next video.